Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever been in a situation where your load does not allow you to close the tailgate? Well, this happens to me too often, and in this scenario, when I put the reverse, I cannot see what is behind the truck because the camera is down here. So what I see is the floor behind the truck. So for that reason, I decided to install a second camera just in this side of the tailgate. So when I have the tailgate open, I can see what is in the rear side of my truck.
Let's see now how I did it. Okay, first open the tailgate and remove the 4 pressure clips from the top cover. With all pressure clips removed, carefully pull the cover to the outside. Locate the center of the cover and make a small hole using a drill bit. Now use the correct drill bit to make a bigger hole for your camera. My camera kit came with the drill bit. To properly fit the camera into position, I had to remove around 1/8 from the top surface. As you can see here, the tailgate already has a hole in the center, but it's not big enough to fit the camera. Therefore, I had to make it bigger. Once the cut is finished, clean the surface and add paint to protect it from corrosion. At this point, we have all modifications required to install the camera, but don't install it for now. It's time now to work with the wiring setup. With the tailgate open, proceed to remove the 6 bolts on top. Now remove the camera connector. Initially, I had a plan to get power from the existing camera harness, but I found later that it only has 6 volts and my new camera is 12 volts. So I decided to get 12 volts from the reverse lights. To get 12 volts from the reverse light, I removed the tailgate light from the passenger side to tap and run a new wire from the reverse light to the new camera. To add a new wire, I had to modify the tailgate harness support by making a hole for the new wire. I added a set of connectors to have a quick disconnect option in case I need to remove the tailgate in the future. Also, I added a set of tie wraps to keep the wire in position. I used a multimeter to confirm the polarity of the reverse light harness in order to tap the positive cable. I added a fuse to the new wire to protect the reverse light circuit if a short occurred. Okay, this is the camera that I got. This is a normal, regular camera. It also has LEDs on it. So basically, what I did, I used the power cable that I got from the reverse light. So now it's time to install it. It looks really great. It looks better than I expected, to be honest. So let's see. Alright, so far we have seen how I installed the camera and the power cable. In the second part of this video, you will see the wiring and switch setup. Initially, I was thinking to add a switch next to the anytime backup camera that I have, but I figured out an automated way to switch the camera view when the tailgate door is open. This was possible by using an proximity switch, same as you see in the home alarm system to detect when the door is open. So that's basically what I did. So don't miss my next video. Remember to subscribe to my channel so you can see it, and you can also find many other videos. So feel free to add any comment or feedback below. Let me know what you think about this. I think this is something that all trucks should come with. So let me know what you think about it. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon.